Welcome to Shwaz Spoken English. Today, this is Mustafa Kamal in front of you talking in English. I join my holidays. That's why my younger brothers invited me to visit him. That's why I'm here at his shops. His shop's name is Smart Telecom, which is situated in Kutupalong Bazars. He sells different types of mobile accessories. You can see here is available quality phones, cables, and also headphones, also IPS, which is very useful for domestic. There is also mini speakers, also power banks, also different types of mobile accessories available here. So you are most welcome to visit his shops. Okay, not today make delays. Let's get started. Today I am trying my best to make a video. This video is very helpful for you. Those who are watching this video, please keep your attention. Please keep this video full. If you watch this video fully, I hope it will be very helpful for you to develop your speaking English. Speaking in English language is a long time journey. It depends on your practice. If you are interested to learn English, of course, it will be possible by you because everything is depends on your practice. That's why, first of all, I would like to say that if you want to learn any language, you have to practice seriously. Otherwise, it's quite impossible for you to learn to acquire knowledge in English. If you want to improve your proficiency or fluency, first of all, you have to practice yourself deeply, heartily. Because now, today, I am sharing some tips and tricks to you all. If you follow this method, I hope it will be very helpful for your journey. Those who are interested to learn English, please watch this video very attentively. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. First of all, you have to memorize some vocabularies. Most of the students and teachers, those who are trying to speak English but they are unable, they are facing hesitation to speak English. For the reasons, I am making this video. Please watch this video. First of all, you have to practice every day. One more sentence. You have to make one more sentence. You have to say one more sentence to your friends, to your colleagues, to your brother, to your sister, whatever you want, you can speak. But first of all, you have to remove your shy. Shy is one kind of healer of your lives. So, if you want to remove your hesitations or your smoke or past in your mouth, you have first of all you have to practice. If you mistakes, it doesn't matter. If you speak correctly, it's welcome. So you have to practice every day. Practice makes a man perfect. So time and tight word for now. If you are interested, please practice. Practice is everything. To learn any language. If you want to learn any language, first of all you have to spit out from your mouth. If you have available stocks in your mind, but you cannot speak because of you are not practicing, that's why you cannot speak in English. So I'm requesting to you all, please practice yourself. Please pronounce. Please, if you read any books, any newspaper, please read it loudly. If you read loudly, it will be very helpful to develop your pronunciation. Pronunciation is one kind of means in English. If you want to speak it properly, you have to pronounce loudly. First of all, I'm requesting you, please read more and more. The more you read, the more you write. That's why please follow to read every day, to practice every day. Otherwise, it's quite impossible for you. Not get delaying. I am finishing here. That's all from my side today. Thank you all for watching this video. Those who are watching this video, please don't forget to put like, comment and shares. Your like, comments and share will be helpful for me to make more videos. So I wish your support. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Wish you good luck.